Getting up and running, mastering the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English language learning easy and fun. In today's video, we're diving into a very popular English phrase, up and running. This expression is widely used in both casual and professional contexts, but what does it actually mean? Stay tuned as we break it down for you, ensuring you can use it confidently in your conversations. The phrase, up and running, is used to describe something that is operating smoothly or functioning properly. It can refer to anything from machines and devices to projects and services. When something is up and running, it means it has successfully started or resumed its operations and is now ready for use. Let's see how this phrase can be used in different scenarios. 1. Technology and devices. After a few hours of setup, my new computer is finally up and running. 2. Business projects. Our team worked hard to meet the deadline, and now the new website is up and running. 3. Services. The city's public transportation system is now up and running after the recent maintenance work. These examples illustrate how versatile the phrase is, applicable across various situations where something has been successfully initiated or restored. It's important not to confuse up and running with starting from a complete stop. The phrase suggests a transition to a state of activity and efficiency, not the very beginning of an action. For instance, saying, "I'm up and running to the store," is incorrect because it mixes the phrase with an action that is starting anew. Instead, it's used to indicate that something is continuing smoothly after its initiation. And there you have it, a complete guide to understanding and using the phrase, up and running. Whether you're talking about technology, projects, or any system, this phrase is a great way to communicate that something is operational and performing as expected. We hope this video helps you feel more confident in your English conversations. Don't forget to practice using it in your daily life to get fully comfortable with its application. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.